Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you're all having a great day. Let's begin our next challenge, level 21. For this level, a program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. They recommend that we look into /etc/cron.d for the configuration and see what command is being executed. Let's head over to the terminal. So we want to change directory into what they recommended. We have these files available. Now we want to advance to the Bandit 22 level. So most likely the clue will be related to this file. Let's read it. So upon reboot, the Bandit 22 user will execute this file in the background, and then it will redirect the output to def null. Now remember, def null is a place where anything you send to it gets deleted. So our next clue will most likely be here. So let's read that. This is what they call a shell script, which is a type of file that executes terminal commands. Here we have the command command. So they change permissions of this file first, and then they read the bandit22 password and send the output to this file. Now note that because it is the bandit22 user that will read this file, it has no problem accessing it because it has the right permissions. So let's see if we can read this file where our password should be. We finally obtained our password. Next, we want to log out and register our completion. To log out, we either type logout, exit, or hit Ctrl-D. We log in to the next level with the password that we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 21, we type the reachal command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's head over to the reachal website to verify. We update. Congratulations on completing level 21. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support and hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements.